Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya perwakilan dari Satlantas Polres Subu Salam. Nama saya Sabri, pangkat Aibda. Saya berdinas di Unit Turjawali ataupun Kanit Turjawali Satlantas Polres Subu Salam. Perjalanan agar mengecek mobil masing-masing, seperti rem dan lain-lainnya. Yang diikuti ada beberapa mobil, ada sekitar 20 mobil. Jadi saya harapkan kepada para driver untuk mematuhi rambu-rambu lalu lintas. Dan itu aja, semoga acara kita ini berjalan dengan aman dan lancar. Amin. Terima kasih, saya akhiri dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Dalam rangka yaitu mengikuti acara Hari Berseri Apanja Senior Club Indonesia Chapter Subu Salam Aceh.
Feeling good, every day and every night. Life is a journey full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprises.
Perwakilan dari aksi Chapter Medan dan
Yel-Yel
Ini gas umat orang
dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop right now. We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Living, getting lost in the flow.
Lekat dari kami
Unexpected to flow. Stand and flow. Getting lost in the flow. Unexpected to party. In control. Living, getting lost in flow. Unexpected surprises. Turn the night. Celebrate the joy that shines so bright. Love is in the air. We are taking flight. Let's dance all night. It's so good. Feeling so good. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop right now. We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free every moment.